Do you want to sound more natural and fluent in English? Then stop translating everything word by word. Today, let us learn 5 powerful English idioms that will make your English more expressive and interesting. So, the first idiom is wake up on the wrong side of the bed. It means to wake up feeling unhappy, irritated, or in a bad mood for no clear reason. Okay? हिंदी मीनिंग ऑफ दिस इडियम इज सुबह उठते ही खराब मूड में होना या चिड़चिड़ा महसूस करना. डोंट टॉक टू हिम राइट नाउ, ही वॉक अप ऑन द रॉन्ग साइड ऑफ द बेड. अभी उससे बात मत करो, वह सुबह से ही खराब मूड में है. ओके, you can say it like if someone is grumpy and irritated all day, maybe they woke up on the wrong side of the bed. Okay, next idiom is at sea. English meaning to be confused or not know what to do. उलझन या असमंजस में होना, समझ न आना कि क्या करें. When the teacher asked the difficult question, I was completely at sea. जब शिक्षक ने मुझसे वह कठिन प्रश्न पूछा तो मैं पूरी तरह से उलझन में पड़ गया. Remember, you don't have to be standing in the ocean if you are confused and don't know what to do. You are at sea. Okay. Okay. Next idiom is green with envy. English meaning to be extremely jealous of someone or something. हिंदी मीनिंग ईर्ष्या से जलना, बहुत अधिक जलन महसूस करना. Sentence: She was green with envy when she saw her friend's new car. वह अपने दोस्त की नई कार देखकर ईर्ष्या से जल उठी. Remember, when jealousy becomes extreme, you are not just jealous, you are green with envy. Next idiom is run out of steam. English meaning to lose energy, strength, or enthusiasm and be unable to continue. ऊर्जा या उत्साह समाप्त हो जाना, थककर आगे न बढ़ पाना. Sentence: I started studying with great energy, but I ran out of steam after 3 hours. मैंने बहुत उत्साह से पढ़ाई शुरू की, लेकिन 3 घंटे बाद मेरी सारी ऊर्जा खत्म हो गई. Remember, when you start something with full energy but slowly lose your strength and motivation, you run out of steam. Next idiom is after the Lord Mayor's show. English meaning something that happens after a very exciting or important event. Therefore seems boring or less important. किसी बड़े या शानदार कार्यक्रम के बाद में होने वाली फीकी या कम प्रभावशाली घटना. After the grand annual function, the small party felt like an anticlimax after the Lord Mayor's show. भव्य वार्षिक समारोह के बाद में छोटी पार्टी बहुत फीकी और कम प्रभावशाली लगी. Remember, something spectacular, everything else may feel less exciting. That is what we call after the Lord Mayor's show. Okay, so here are 5 powerful idioms that you can learn, use, and speak every day. Okay, so quick revision: wake up on the wrong side of the bed, at sea, green with envy, run out of steam after the Lord Mayor's show. Don't just memorize them, use them in your daily life conversation, because the more idioms you use correctly, the more natural, fluent, and powerful your English becomes. Okay, which idiom was your favorite? Tell me in comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the Literary Quill for more powerful English learning content. Thank you.